Did you know a simple spoonful of honey can supercharge your immunity and heal common ailments naturally? Stay tuned as we uncover the incredible benefits of honey and how to use it in everyday remedies. From boosting your energy to soothing coughs and wounds, honey is nature's ultimate healer. Let's dive into its secrets. Immunity-boosting benefits of honey. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants, honey contains phenolic compounds and flavonoids that fight free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and strengthening the immune system. Number 2. Antimicrobial properties. Its natural enzymes produce hydrogen peroxide, making it effective against bacteria and infections. Number 3. Soothes throat infections. Honey can alleviate sore throats and coughs, boosting the body's defense against respiratory issues. Number 4. Supports gut health. Honey acts as a prebiotic, encouraging the growth of healthy gut bacteria, essential for overall immunity. Number 5. Nutrient-rich energy source loaded with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Honey provides natural energy and bolsters immunity. Common uses in home remedies. Number 1. For cough and cold relief, mix 1 tablespoon of honey with a pinch of turmeric or ginger juice. Consume this mixture 3 times daily to soothe coughs and boost immunity. Number 2. To treat wounds and burns, apply raw honey directly to minor cuts or burns for faster healing, as it prevents infection and accelerates tissue regeneration. Number 3. For digestive health, take a teaspoon of honey mixed with warm water and lemon juice on an empty stomach to improve digestion and cleanse the gut. Number 4. For skincare, combine honey with a little aloe vera gel to treat acne or moisturize dry skin. Number 5. As an energy booster, mix honey with water and a pinch of salt for a natural electrolyte drink to combat fatigue. Number 6. For better sleep, stir a teaspoon of honey into a cup of warm milk or chamomile tea before bedtime to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Number 7. To soothe sore throat, gargle with a mix of honey, warm water, and a pinch of salt for instant relief from throat irritation. How to use honey safely. Step 1. Always use raw, unprocessed honey for maximum health benefits. Step 2. Avoid giving honey to children under 1 year due to the risk of botulism. Step 3. Store honey in a cool, dry place to maintain its natural properties. Honey isn't just a natural sweetener, it's a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your daily routine. From boosting immunity to soothing common ailments, its uses are endless. Start incorporating honey into your life today and experience the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Guide for You for more health tips. See you in the next video.